Hello, hello. Today we're doing something totally different. Today we're gonna see what is in this box. Oh, and just on a side note, please excuse my appearance and my voice. I've been battling a sickness for a very long time. So anyways, let's get started. I have always wondered what the heck is inside the mystery box, and you know what? Today we're gonna find out. I also ordered a whole bunch of items, so I thought I'd unbox that first. If you want to go ahead and jump right straight to the mystery box, I'll leave the timestamp on the screen, or feel free to watch along and see what I'm opening up now. I often make regular orders from Rope Shop, and this time I was so excited to see the mystery box on sale on Boxing Day, so I was happy to grab one. But here is my regular order, and what I purchased is some big, large wooden beads. I thought these would make excellent eyes for owls. Also, these would be really great for dolls, the macrame doll heads. And here's the single strand cotton that I order every single time. It is my favorite. This Christmas, I made a ton of Christmas angels. And I like to use the baker's twine for that. So I was running very low, so I ordered 2 rolls of baker's twine. Now this was a very random, spur of the moment purchase. This is Easy Braid Soft Rope, and it is 7 pounds. It's super thick and super heavy. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for. So comment below if you have any tips or any ideas. And then there was my secondary roll of baker's twine. And they gave me a nice little thank you note and a notepad. I really like the notepad. I am obsessed with making lists, so that's perfect for me. And that was everything that was in my first box and what I ordered. Now we're gonna move on to the mystery box. I am so excited, and you know what? It is really heavy. A lot of rope companies offer the mystery box option, and usually what it is just odds and ends that they can't really make a full roll of rope for. So it's just usually their cut off end pieces. And I've always been super excited to know, like, what exactly do you get in these boxes? And oh my gosh, it is packed full. The first thing I got here is this little roll of single strand cotton. It's very fine. Next, we have braided cord. I'm not sure what the sizes are. They don't have anything labeled, but this is braided cord. So right away, I noticed that there is a ton of braided cord in here and lots of various sizes. So that is great. I can get a lot of projects done with that. It's not typically what I normally use, but it makes me have to be more creative, which is never a problem. And then now there's more rolls of the same single strand cotton. Now here is some 3-ply, and I see it's 3 at 70 feet. Here's what they have labeled on this one. Just judging the thickness, I believe this is 3mm. I typically buy 3mm, so it looks the same. And here's another one, and it is quite a lot thicker. This is either 4 or 5mm. It's probably closer to 4. So yeah, there's a thicker one. And then there is a lot more braided cord. So this one is a finer one. And there are 3 in here. I feel like this would be great for making baskets or rugs. Now this one is really different. It looks like braided cord, but it is a lot, I don't know, the texture is really wiry. It seems to have like a plastic coating over top of the cotton and is really dense and strong. At first I had no idea what it was, but someone on Instagram pointed it out that this is sash rope. And what you typically see sash rope for is the really old-fashioned windows where they have that pulley system. So yeah. And then here's one more last braided cord, and it is thick. So overall, I got a lot of rope in this one little box. I'm surprised it all fit in there, to be honest. It's always a bit of a gamble if you're purchasing any mystery boxes because, first of all, the value is always there, but you don't really know exactly what you're going to use the items for if it's not typically what you normally buy. Like, This fine cord here, I can see this being great for like doll hair for the macrame dolls, or for like the bearded projects that I normally do. That would be great for that, or even feathers. It would definitely work well for anything using fringes, so tassels, you know, any fringe type items. And then I got about 5 of this size of braided cord, so there's a lot of braided cord here. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with all of it, but I'm sure I can figure something out. Braided cord is actually one of the stronger type of ropes that you can get, so it would be great for outdoor projects like swings and that kind of thing. So I don't know, leave the comments below if you have any suggestions. And of course they gave me so many different sizes. This one's a really thick one, and then there's a thinner one. And then these two are the sash cord. And I believe they are the thickest, strongest of the whole lot that I got. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but that is not a problem. I really like challenges, and it kind of really forces me to be extra creative. So stay tuned for some interesting projects. Oh, and of course I've got the 2 rolls of 3-ply cotton cord, and this, I can do anything with this. This is a pretty standard rope that I often buy as well. So now we all know what is inside the mystery box. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.
How come you're so noisy? Yeah, noisy. Yeah, you noisy pup.